Hello friends, good morning and welcome back to our channel. In this video we will talk about this Barbecue Nation IPO which is going to open on 24th March and will close on 26th March. So today is 23 March and it will open on 24 minutes tomorrow. So now check the basic details about this IPO and then we will go to the grey market premium. The company is established in 2006 and you know the Barbecue Nation, it's a restaurant chain business in India. The company has total 138 Barbecue Nation restaurants in 73 cities of India and 7 international Barbecue Nation in 3 countries outside the India. So the company has the international business as well, and the company recently launched the new brand called Red Apple, which operate in 10 Italian restaurants in 2 cities of India, especially the Bengaluru and Chennai. The computer strength about this company. So the company is the one of the India's fastest growing restaurant brands and diversifies, offering the both vegetarian and non-vegetarian food, and experienced promoters and management team, and then healthy financial position with the proven track record of the revenue growth. So the company has the good computer strength. Then come over to the company promoters name. So the first promoter is Sanjeev Hotel Limited, then Sayaji Housekeeping Services Limited, Kayum Dani, Rup Dhanani, and Suchita Dhanani are the company's promoter. Then come about this company financials. So total assets are increasing from 18 to 20. You can see this 7,000 millions and then 8,000, then 9,000 and again 9,000. Because this is the till the third quarter of this 2020, and uh, and if you see the total revenue, it's almost 6,000, then 7,000, then 8,000 million, and again it's go down to 2,000 only because this lockdown and this corona. And if you see about this total profit after tax, then it's all in bracket. You can see here all profits are in bracket. So in 18 it's a 58, then 388, then 329, and again 1000. So its profit after tax are increasing in bracket, so it's in negative. So the basic object about this bringing this IPO, so the first object is to make the repayment and this prepayment of this outstanding and borrowings available on the consideration basis, and the second is to meet general corporate purpose because the company needs some additional money to operate and these operations. So these are the basic reason about this bringing this IPO. And let's see this company IPO dates. So this open on 24th March, then closing date on 26th March, then allotment will be on 1st April, then initial of refund on this 5th April. I think there in between some holidays are there after 1 to 5th, and then credit of shares will be on 6th April, then listing date is 7th April. So these are the basic tentative dates, and see this company IPO price. So IPO price is 498 to 500 per equity share. So almost consider is 500 because the stick price will be on 500. Then minimum lot is 30 share in one lot, and so total amount will be 15,000 because 500 into 30 is the simplest calculation, that is 15,000. So these are the basic details about this company. And now check this gray market premium. So gray market premium is showing 0 here because no gray market premium is released till now. And this Chanakya Puri, sorry, this is the Chanakya Point website, and this is the Investors Academy website. So both websites are not showing any GMP till now. We'll check it tomorrow or day after tomorrow. I think the gray market premium will be shown here. Otherwise this company's overall position is not looking that much good because this profit after tax is in bracket and the company require the money to repayment and loans. So company already in, I think, debt. So this is the not good company for investing for a listing gain. So don't think to apply for listing gain. If you are long term investor, then you can apply. Thank you very much.